Hello friends, today's topic is profit and loss. There is an important note, that is there are some basic rules through which we can master the profit and loss problems without the use of lengthy formulas or calculations. Okay, with the basic tricks we can crack these profit and loss sums. So let's get some important notes. That is, we all know that selling price is denoted with SP and cost price is denoted with CP. So there is a profit and there is a loss. So we have some basic formulas. So before attempting the profit and loss problems, everyone should remember these basic points. Okay, so remember this, then problems is going to be very easy. Okay, so there is a profit or loss percentage is calculated on CP. So this is also an important note. So profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. So remember this one point is there is profit or loss percent is always calculated on cost price. Okay, so profit percentage is always added to 100 and loss percentage is always subtracted from 100. Okay, so these are the basic points someone required to attempt a profit and loss questions. So let's get into the problems. So let's get into some of the problems that related to profit and loss. Okay, so remember the basic points what I told previously. So it's going to be very easy. Okay, so the first question is, a man buys an article for 27.50 paisa and sells it for 28.60 paisa. Find the gain percentage he's asking. So a man buys an article for 27.5 paisa and sold it for 28.6 paisa. Definitely he got profit in this transaction. So the gain he's going to come is, so profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. We get profit. Okay, so if we done selling price minus cost price, the profit is going to be 1.1. What is the profit percent he's going to get in the whole transaction he's asking? Okay, so profit percent I told previously. What's profit percent? Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. So profit percent and loss percent always calculated on cost price. Okay, so the profit you get in this transaction 1.1 by cost price 27.5 into 100. So the profit percent he's going to get in the end of this transaction is 4%. So that's it. So try to use this method. So the answer is going to be definitely very easy. Okay, let's get into second problem. So let's get into second problem. If a radio is purchased for 490 and sold for 465.5, find the loss percent he's asking. So someone bought an radio for 490 rupees and sold it for 465 point something. Okay, he's going to get the loss because he sold it for lesser price what he bought previously. Okay, so the loss percentage is equal to cost price minus selling price. So we get loss. 24.5 is the loss. So he asking in this loss percentage is asking. So loss percentage is equal to loss he get divided by cost price into 100. So loss is 24.5 divided by 490 into 100. So the loss he's going to get in this whole transaction is 5%. Okay, so the next question is, a person incurs 5% loss by selling a bat for 1140. At what price should the watch be sold to earn 5% profit? So simply he asking, so here simply he asking 95% is 1140. He asking 105% is how much he asking. So remember like this, try to solve question like this. Okay, without lengthy calculations, simply he asking 95% is 1140 and simply asking 105% is how much. So simply the step is going to be 1140 into 105 by 95. So the answer is going to be 1260. Okay, so this question is very important for the railway exams as well as bank exams also. Two discounts of 40%, 20% equal to single discount. So they are asking single discount, they are asking. So normally we have base price 100. For first discount we get 40% discount, means 60 we get. And for the second discount, on 60 we have to calculate 20%. On 60 20% is 12. So 60 minus 12, 48. So after second discount we have 48. Thus single discount is going to be 100 minus 48. So answer is going to be 52. So the next question, a discount dealer professes to sell his goods at cost price but uses a weight of 960 grams per kg. Find his gain percent is asking. Okay, so generally we have 1000 grams per kg, but a false dealer cheating his customers by giving 960 grams per kg he is giving. So the profit is going to be get for every kg he gains 40 grams. So 40 is the gain, 40 by cost price. How much? 960 grams. 40 by 960 into 100. So the gain he is going to get 4.17%.